Welcome to the Dome, one of the most unique learning spaces in Springfield. I'm Izzy, I'm a sophomore at Springfield High School, and I'll be your guide today. This historic building is packed with opportunities to take students learning to the next level. Let's start where we are, the John Legend Theater. The John Legend Theater hosts dance performances, concerts, theater productions, business events, I'm gonna love you now, like it's all I have, and even Grammy-winning artists. Initially funded by a $500,000 donation from our own John Legend, this theater went from forgotten to flourishing. State-of-the-art sound and lighting help every performer shine on the JLT stage. About 80% of events held here are outside rentals, making the John Legend Theater a true community space. Just a few steps away from the John Legend Theater, the sparks are flying in the welding, carpentry, and electric labs. During the school day, high school students explore whether a career in construction is right for them. They build hands-on skills, earn graduation credit, and get a head start to their career. Let's keep this tour moving with a visit to the Recycle Bike Shop. This 6-week after-school program teaches students the ins and outs of bike repair.
You can see them ratcheting across.
Each week focuses on identifying parts and fixing common problems. By the end of the program, every student leaves with a custom bike they built themselves. Now we're in Paw Prints, the Dome's student-ran print shop. This shop offers screen printing, direct-to-film heat pressing, and embroidery to customers all over the community. Students run the entire operation from customer communication to production and fulfillment. Paw Prints also sells merchandise, giving kids real experience in business. You'll also find clothing in the district's family programming department. Staff here connects students and families with essentials like clothing, food, housing, and more, so students can focus on their learning. This team gives our students a hand up when they need it most. The PAES Lab. It's short for Practical Assessment Exploration System. The PAES Lab trains students on job skills in 5 career areas. And just like a real job, students clock in, track progress, and complete timed tasks. And one of my favorite things about the Dome is our school district's podcast studio! Produced monthly, Cat Chat features guests, interviews, and highlights from across the district. And now it's time to pass the mic to YouMedia. In the studio at YouMedia, ideas have a beat of their own. But this isn't the only thing for kids to do here. After school, YouMedia is open for students in grades 7 to 12 to Home I Go, that's hang out, mess around, and geek out. Whether they're creating art, baking, recording music, or catching up on homework, there's a place for everyone at YouMedia. And just down the hall is Makerspace. Each month, students explore a new STEAM challenge through hands-on building and experimentation. That's all for upstairs, but there's one last space I want to show you. The Tiffany Gym. Many Springfield residents will remember this city staple. We're excited that in its new chapter, the Tiffany will be used for team practices, middle school games, and community events. Catch the Wildcats in action in this historic venue. The Dome is truly a place like no other, where students come to perform, build, create, and explore what's possible. Take time to explore each space and experience everything the Dome has to offer.